Today I'm going to show you how to film insects and other small things on the cheap. The first thing you'll need is a toy microscope. So I have one here, and what you want to do is basically smash it up with a hammer, and you want the lens. Hopefully the lens will be plastic if it's a toy microscope, because if it's glass you'll have smashed it up. So you take the plastic lens from here. Here's one I made earlier. You can see it's actually quite powerful. And then the next thing you need, blue tack. You make a ring of it around the edge, like that. And actually, as long as you don't obstruct the optical axis, it doesn't matter too much if you get a bit of it on the actual lens itself, rather than just around the edge. Now, next, take your phone, stick it on, like so, and then go onto your camera, like so. I can now magnify anything, and you basically just move your phone back and forth as if it's a magnifying glass, because that's exactly what it is, a magnifying glass. And you can see, you can now do that. The next thing you want to do is either turn on your flash or your torch, like that. Get something to magnify, for example, this Metacanthina trilobite, and look at that. So you just So that's all there is to it. All you do, take a toy microscope, smash it up, take out the lens, stick it on your phone with some blue tack, and away you go.